How to upload full-size profile picture on Facebook without cropping. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device over here and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on what's on your mind over here and then tap on photo or video over here and select a very random picture. So let us just select a very random picture over here. I'm going to select one of the pictures over here, so let me just select it very randomly, and as I do that I'm gonna tap on the post option. You can just make it public and then tap on done and then tap on post. Now as I post it, you can just go back to your profile again, then tap on your profile and just wait until the picture gets updated. So here you can see the picture. Now tap on your profile picture and tap on suggested photos. So here you can see the picture, and as you do that, untoggle the option of share your updates to newsfeed. Then tap on save, and as you tap on save, just refresh the page, and as you refresh the page, you can see the profile picture. So just scroll down and there you go. You have uploaded full-size profile picture on Facebook without cropping. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.